Hi everyone, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and let's do a date and time check for you. It is Tuesday, September 22nd, and it's 12:27. And approximately 47 minutes, no, 51 minutes ago, you can look at our tweet. We put out a tweet just to create awareness, not recommending anyone to have done this, but we put out a tweet to buy or to say that we were buying the NQ at 10,989 at 11:38. That trade is up about $1,000 in 51 minutes. This is how and why we executed that trade, and this is how we manage the trade, courtesy of Swing Machine. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you are getting it done wherever you are, well, congratulations, and just keep doing what you're doing. If you're not getting it done and you're lost in the woods, you're putting up this average, this tool, that tool, moving from 5-minute bars to 10-minute bars to 1 hour bars to a Renko chart to custom Renko, median Renko, line break chart, point and figure, this one, that one, this one, ADX, different, changing the moving average from the 2 over the 8, from the 3 over the 9. No, let's make it the 43 moving average. If you're doing that, please understand something. The market is chaotic. The market is inconsistent. So it's a chaotic system. Most people trade chaotically. So you got a chaotic system, and you have traders trading chaotically. And many of them are trading off the money. See, many traders would say, geez, I'm up $400, I'm out. There's been no reason to come out of this trade, and it's up $1,100. Swing Machine has not given us any reason to come out. This thing could be up 2,000, 3,000. Entries matter. Exits matter. Now, if you are trading inconsistently and the market is inconsistent, why would you even think or why would you expect to have consistent results? You won't. And what we're doing differently than anything you'll see on the Twitter sphere, anything you'll see at StockTwits or on YouTube, is we're trading consistently. Okay, we're doing pretty much the same thing every single day, to the point where it's pretty boring. It's what we're mechanical traders. So we can trade fully automated, semi-automated, or when we put on a discretionary trade, it's very mechanical. Because we want to build, consistent results. We want to run a business. I'm not interested in getting on Twitter and saying, oh, I bought myself some calls on Tesla and I made, 300% today. Okay, fine, whatever. It doesn't matter. What matters is something even called a profit factor. If you don't know what a profit factor is, that's a problem. Call us. I'll tell you what it is. 813-758-8263. If you know what a profit factor is, and you are not keeping track of your trades and keeping track of your profit factor from 1 week to the next, then it's just lazy. That's another thing. And just say it's just lazy. And you're not doing yourself any favors. You're basically going out onto a golf course and hitting golf balls all over the place. And then, saying, oh, that was a nice round of golf. You didn't really keep score. I got some in. Oh, remember that hole? I hit a good shot there, and oh yeah, I got the ball in the hole. Okay, great. But what did you shoot? What's your handicap? Are you getting any better from 1 week to the next? Well, if you don't keep score, how would you know? But I got a score. I think I shot around an 82. I made $8,000. That's enough. That's all I know. I'm a trader. And I hear that sometimes from folks. I'm a trader. I'm not a computer guy. I don't have to keep track of all that stuff. It's the money. And no. No, when you're focused on the money, the money, the money, the money, that is greed and fear. That's what that is. You're doomed. You're doomed. You just may not know it yet, but you're doomed. I've seen it before. And you're wasting your time, you're wasting your capital, and you're just wasting your effort. You really are. If you want to play golf, like any other sport, you need to get disciplined about it. And you need to get with someone who knows how to play golf. And you need to work with that person. Now, there are a lot of good golf instructors and a lot of bad ones. And they don't even have to be, you may develop a golf game that is far better than them. But you need somebody that you can trust to teach you how to play. They're not going to play for you, but they're going to be able to teach you the golf swing and the mechanics and take you about the golf course. That's probably not going to happen in a day, right? It's going to take some time to learn how. And that's what we're about at Stock Market Caddy. I don't want your money. I don't want to manage your money. I'm not interested in giving you trades. We do this sort of thing just to demonstrate what can be done. We are a mentoring site where you can come and we're going to try to offer a smorgasbord. A smorgasbord. Remember that from the summers up in New Hampshire. As a kid, go there and just chow down. We offer a smorgasbord of proprietary indicators and strategies that are very, very good. And you get to pick and choose what you want to use to get the results that you need to get. Now, in the beginning, it might be a little overwhelming. We tried to do it piecemeal. It might be a little daunting. What we don't want people doing is going from this to that to that to this. But we do want to lay it out so that as you're, going through and putting together a hamburger, on the table, this little buffet, you can get the cheese, you can get the mustard, you can get the relish, you can get the things you want. If you don't know what's in front of you, if you don't know what's possible, then you're wasting time and wasting money. You could be doing something for weeks and weeks or months and months, and you get with us and say, and we are always adding. We're always doing more and say, damn, if I had only known that, I could have made some money. But the biggest thing is keeping track, keeping a journal, and that'll really tell you. So we started out from there. If you are getting it done, then stay where you are, stay doing it, and keep doing it. But if you're not and you're lost in the woods, then maybe give us a shout. Talk with us. I'm not, the monthly membership is $100. It opens up some video training to you a little bit. And at the end of the month, I'm confident you will have learned some things. I think you'll have had some fun. And from there, if you want to sign up for what we call the Q School, and then that's a 4-week program, and that's $1,500. Is it a lot of money? It is. On a relative basis, is it as much as others? No, it isn't. And it represents really good value. There's a ton of self-paced videos over 24, 25 hours. You get access to me for over 4 weeks, morning, noon, and night. And we're going to answer your questions as they come up to the extent that you have them. So you get out of it what you put into it, and we're going to be there. And we're going to find out what your trading personality is, but more importantly, you're going to find out. We're going to smoke that out. We need to know. You need to know. And if you don't know what your trading personality is, you may think you know, but reality is you probably don't. And so if we can identify that, then we can help you choose tools that will help you get done what you need to get done from a data-driven scientific method of sorts. So what we're trying to do is come into a market that is chaotic each and every day, each and every week. Sometimes it's more chaotic than others, and people are going to be flying around with this and that. And we're trying to help you maximize your time, maximize your capital, maximize your skills to extract money from the market, cash flow, so you can have time to go do something else. Well, we just ran over 10 minutes, and that position is staying on. It's still, this position from 1038 is still up $1,300. And I tell you what, if we're still in that trade, later today I'll make a follow-up video, but we could be here this afternoon. This thing could be up 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Now, if you came out and you made $275, well then, congratulations, you made $275. But you are trading money. And what happens is with that emotion, it's very insidious. Traders will come in, and what will happen is they'll lose. They'll put a trade on in a poor area, and they'll lose $800. Then they'll spend the rest of the day trying to get that $800 back. And they'll put their trades on, and they'll get back to maybe $800 and they break even. Or it doesn't go well, and then they're down $1,200, then they're down $2,000, then they're down $2,500. Now they're really pissed. And they're angry. They're angry at their wife, their spouse. They're angry at the dog. They're angry at the kids. They're angry at the market. They're just angry. That's not good. That is not good. And if that's what you're doing, you need to stop. I don't care if you come to us or not, but you need to stop. That is not good. And you want to be able to build. And I equate it to golf. But if you want to just shag things around, then you're gonna run that course. Well, we're running over. This video is about 12 minutes. We're available. You can call anytime. And like I say, somehow, some way you found us, and we'll try to lead you out of the woods. I think if you go to our website and you can see our testimonials, listen to our testimonials, we have folks there that we've had many folks that have said, we've changed their lives. And I think we have. And, thank goodness we're here for right now. Our annual memberships are limited. We have an overall number, and we have an annual number that we won't exceed. And we have a handful left, annual memberships for the rest of this year. Once those are filled, they're filled. And we won't accept new annual memberships until January. Monthly memberships are unlimited. All right, with that, we're going to sign off. We're at over $1,200 in just 64 minutes. And we'll maybe come back and follow this video up later today. We hope to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed watching what you've been watching, which is The Swing Machine from StockMarketCaddy.com. I'm Bagadon, 813-758-8263. Thanks.